As THHW has become less readily available, contractors have turned to the following cable types as suitable replacements for number 10 and number 12 conductors in wet locations where 90 degrees Celsius insulation is required. Firstly, THHW-2. This is cross-linked polyethylene insulation with a polyvinyl chloride jacket. It is moisture resistant, flame retardant, and sunlight resistant. It has good electrical and physical properties, is available in number 10 and number 12 sizes, and is suitable for use in conduits, cable trays, and direct burial. Secondly, THW-2. This is polyvinyl chloride insulation with a nylon jacket. It is moisture resistant, flame retardant, and sunlight resistant, with good electrical and physical properties. It is usually only available in number 8 and larger sizes, and can be used for exposed and concealed wiring in wet locations. Thirdly, RHW-2. This is rubber insulation with a polyvinyl chloride jacket. It has excellent moisture resistance and flexibility, and can be used in wet locations and exposed to direct sunlight. It is more expensive than other options and available in a limited range of sizes, including number 10 and number 12. Fourthly, OFB. This is direct burial underground feeder cable with polyvinyl chloride insulation and jacket. It is moisture resistant, sunlight resistant, and abrasion resistant. It is only suitable for direct burial applications and available in number 10 and number 12 sizes. When selecting an alternate cable type for wet locations, consider the following factors. 1. Temperature rating. Ensure the cable meets the required 90 degrees Celsius temperature rating. 2. Moisture resistance. Choose a cable with a moisture-resistant insulation and jacket. 3. Sunlight resistance. If the cable will be exposed to direct sunlight, select a sunlight-resistant jacket. 4. Physical properties. Consider the flexibility, abrasion resistance, and overall durability of the cable. 5. Availability and cost. Check the availability and cost of different cable types before making a selection.